Arnold has hiccups. Oh, and now they go away. Oh.
So loud.
Oh, you have squeaky hiccups. Oh my goodness, they're so squeaky.
Some muta.
Oh. You sound like a mouse. Oh. Oh.
Arnold is gaining a lot of weight, by the way. 4 pounds, 5 ounces. And he's eating when he wants now, not on a schedule. Big boy, hiccuping.